Hey guys, we're really excited over here at the Yateman Group to bring something new and fresh to the market. It's been a while since we've been able to roll something brand new out that the market hadn't seen. We've got a new builder, a new community, and 4 new amazing floor plans to come your way with McShay Communities at Kings Park.
McShay Communities has been building in the Northern Virginia market for over 30 years. We're excited for them to expand here in the Richmond market, nestled here in Chesterfield County. At Kings Park, McShay Communities will be offering a variety of floor plans, including first floor primaries, to meet any client's needs. Blending custom building with value, McShay Communities allows our clients the opportunity to work with a designer to tailor their ideas for each individual buyer. With only 17 unique opportunities, contact the Yateman Group for your chance to feel the McShay advantage.